welcome back to another episode of C Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today I'm making an easy noodle dish that is made with just a few ingredients you could find inside your fridge. I'm making XO sauce noodles. If you don't have this condiment in your fridge, you should definitely have some. Or if you're lucky like me, your friends will hook you up with their homemade version. It's a bunch of fermented and umami-laden ingredients such as dried shrimp. We've got some dried scallops in there, fried shallots. We also have a bit of spice to that as well. And it's just so tasty. I throw this stuff on everything. So this noodle only takes about like 5 minutes to make. It's super good. And don't forget to top it up with a little chili crisp if you want that extra heat in it. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get started. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!